guys, welcome to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this one, guys. It's Ali. Ali is a traditional Egyptian dessert. It's similar like bread and butter pudding, but using puff pastry. You can use puff pastry, or you can use plain croissant. If you don't have puff pastry, you can use plain croissant. And of course, very easy and very simple and very tasty, very creamy also. Okay guys, I will show you step by step how to make Ali. Check this out. Prepare 200 ml milk, full cream, double cream 100 ml, pistachio, crush it like this, almond crush, cashew nut crush, and raisin, puff pastry, or you can use plain croissants if you don't have puff pastry. Sugar and coconut powder, cinnamon powder, and rose water. Let's start. Heat the full cream milk, double cream, cinnamon powder, rose water, coconut powder and sugar, mix well until warm but not boil, like 80 degrees Celsius. Okay guys, we prepare the puff pastry inside the bowl, or you can use the plain croissants. Put raisins, almond, pistachio, and cashew nut inside the bowl. This dessert, guys, is very easy and very simple and very creamy. You know, I love to put the coconut powder or coconut milk. Okay, now we put the mixture inside the bowl. Make sure all the puff pastry is soaked by this mixture. Actually guys, we have many ways to cook the Ali. Now we preheat the oven 175. Okay, our oven is ready. Then we put the Ali inside the oven. Like this, guys. We bake until 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, guys, our Ali is ready. Take it out from the oven. Look at that, so pretty good, right? Okay guys, you can put on the top is with whipping cream like this, but this one is optional guys. If you don't like whipping cream, you can skip it. After you put whipping cream on the top, you can put in salamander to make it caramelize, or you can use torch to make it color or caramelize and melting the whipping cream. Okay guys, our omali is ready. Put on the top pistachio crust, almond crust, raisin and cashew nut. Okay, very easy, right? Our omali is ready. I hope you enjoy it, and don't forget to subscribe, like and comment below guys. See you in the next video. Is it guys? It's very easy and simple, right? Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment below. Okay, see you in the next video. Masalama.